Hey man, how's it? I hope you're okay. I just wanted to tell you that I'll be coming to Lusaka soon, and I don't know if you'll be free. So you can tell me if you'll be free. I would like us to maybe have a beer or two, catch up. You know, we haven't talked in a long time, so yeah, maybe catch up and make some plans, seeing the way forward. Maybe talk business, Yeah, so if you see this, if you receive this message, tell me and respond. Tell me how it goes. If you'll be free or you want, you can make plans from there. All right. Cheers. Ila uchipondera acha stangwele fe kuno kumalusaka. Anyway, nachamba kwe bati nombalile ndiye kulina nangu next weekend, so bange kwa majipi muntu wanji fili pointani tuku tepanga zange fuma kwa rupo afigiru mutachanchano kunde kulina nombalile nanshaka fisange finde kwe kesa apono kwa hamfu sikifia ukuwa otherwise kari sana muntu wanji kasango vitu mbuwa refu ya chikatalo waishu so hapa ndepe kana nombalile nishin kesa wamfu tushire nko kala ikina kasabu mwechipondo. Cheers.